siya na kayo ay masaya na nananalangin sa Kanya. John 17:13. You will see that delight, joy, happiness is built in this two-way communication with God. Can we read that please in the book of John in chapter 17:13. I am coming to you now, but I say these things while I am still in the world, so that they may have the full measure of my joy within them. The prayer of Jesus is that we will be filled with the full measure of the joy from Him. The joy delights in the presence of the Lord. Ang pananalangin ay hindi yan rehas, kadena at isang mabigat na bolang bakal